Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. Hope you find a reason to stay. Coach made a comeback and we have been in love ever since they did their return. They have upped their marketing, they've rejigged some of their new products, and we are absolutely in love. So in today's video, I'm just doing a reveal of my birthday gift to myself. I got myself the Coach Tabby shoulder bag 26, and this is the beauty. This is she, this is her. This is in the color brass wine, and I am absolutely in love with this hun. These bags come in a variety of colors and styles. There's color block, there's just solid colors, and then they have different patterns as well. I have my mom's bag as well here with me. So this is the color block style, and my mom wears hers as a shoulder bag, so it's got the large strap. Anyway, let's get into my baby. So the Tabby shoulder bag is a well-structured bag, and it's crafted in polished pebble leather. I'll bring it up close. And this is refined with a genuine leather. They do really good leather pieces. They're very well made and well structured, and it also has a finish of the signature Coach hardware. I don't know if you can see it. So that's the detailing on the hardware, and this one comes with gold hardware. The beautiful gold hardware adds to the classiness of this bag, I must say so myself. And this bag has a very secure snap shut closure. So that's that one. And it just snaps shut. And then it just comes with the Coach card. And it's also got the instructions. This is just the tag that came with the bag. And then you have the Coach label inside as well. And then you've got an outside slip pocket, so it is quite roomy. The camera doesn't do it justice. It doesn't pick up well on all the compartments, but it is very roomy. So the bag comes with two straps. We've got the short strap, and we also have the long crossbody strap, and it's also adjustable. So this makes it easy for you to carry it based on your outfit or your preference, or whatever style you wish to go for. If you'd like, you can also buy additional straps that you can add on. I've seen other people buy gold chains. That's also in style at the moment, and you can just add it on to your bag. It also comes with the Coach tag over here. That's the original one, and I also got a complimentary one, but because they couldn't engrave the actual tag that comes with the bag, they gave me a different one, and I just got to choose my color, and it's got my initials TM for Tanya Matanga. For the storage of your bag, the bag does come in the Coach dust bag. This one is pretty big, but I love it because then I can double up the bag to keep it away from dust and any other fragments. So this is the Coach dust bag. If you're looking for a bag that works with majority of your closet, I kid you not, this is the bag. I initially wanted the chalk white one, but when I got into the store and I found this, I immediately fell in love with the brass wine. Initially, I also had the oxblood color on my wish list, but when I found this was a very close and even better option for me. I'm going to insert clips of the multiple ways that you can wear this bag. It is very versatile. So you can wear this bag as a crossbody bag. You can wear it as a shoulder bag. You can wear it as a clutch without any of the straps. This bag is a very versatile hun, so you could wear the bag with a long shoulder strap to go hands-free. For example, with the shoulder strap on, you can wear the bag crossbody, which is perfect for any of your travel looks or like your quick and go looks. And if you're not a big fan of crossbodies, you can opt to wear the bag on your shoulder as well, as it is a shoulder bag. And fear not, Another fun option, you can wear it on your arm with the shoulder strap hanging for a cool, effortless yet chic look. For those women on the go. And lastly, another way you can wear the bag is to remove the shoulder strap entirely and treat it as a clutch, or if you'd like, you can swap out the straps just to fit your look. You can go for a streetwear look or just keep it classy. So they do offer a cleaning service. It's a lifetime complimentary service for the maintenance of the bag. You can go in every 3 to 6 months, just depending on how often you do wear your bag. I was advised if you wear it more often, then it's best to come in at the 3-month mark. But if you wear it less, then come in maybe every 6 months. I haven't really worn my bag out yet. My mom has worn hers just about every day. She's in love with her bag. So she should be due for her 3-month service very soon. You can go to any of the Coach stores and they will offer that service. So when you do get your bag, you do sign up if you wish to do so. So everything is in the system. When you pop in, you don't have to go with the receipt or anything. They have a record of all your purchases. We're going to discuss the Coach outlet store versus the main store. The main stores have some very good wider ranges, and they also have really good sales. I've been into 2 of them. There's one in Queen Street and one in Newmarket. I got my bag from the Coach outlet store in Onehunga. I would say this is a mid-range designer bag with a great price point. It is quite affordable. It is very affordable in my opinion. At the Coach outlet stores, you're more likely to find a lower price, but you're less likely to find all the styles that you'd be after. So I would say pop into the Coach outlet store as often as you can, or pop into the main store as well, just to gauge what would be the best options for you and also what would suit your budget. So this bag was originally $805 and I got it on a sale, 50% off, and it was $402.50. So that was a really good bargain. So I would say, yeah, pop in as often as you can to find the one that you like and keep an eye out. And the best thing I find is to give them a call. So I've got their number, it's just on Google, at the Coach outlet store, and I keep an eye on the Coach website as well, the Australian one, because there's a New Zealand one. So if you keep an eye out on there as well, there's some good options. And you can also check out the outlet store. If I remember correctly, I can't remember, was there an option to ship to New Zealand? I can't remember, I'm not too sure, but I prefer to go in store if there's a physical retail store in my area. So I would rather go there to find out what options are available and that I can add things to my wish list. I know the price point, I can find out if the sale is going to be over anytime soon. I can see how many of the bags there are, because when I went in, this was the only brass wine option. There was the color block ones. There were quite a few of those, and I went in a few weeks ago and they still had the color block ways as well. They had new ones, but they didn't have any solid colors of the Coach Tabby shoulder bag. Another place to keep an eye out on would be Farfetch. They do really good sales as well, or sometimes their price point drop like extremely low, and sometimes it is just based on the exchange rates, which sometimes is very favorable. And sometimes on my Instagram they pop up with random like extremely low prices, but you have to buy it immediately. Because last time I bought a bag immediately, and then the second time I got that option for a ridiculous amount. I went on and then I was like, oh, sorry, I'm not too sure where we left off. My memory card was extremely full. I forgot to format the card before filming, but I think I was discussing Farfetch. If the ads pop up, go on straight away if it suits your budget, or if you wish to save up into your whatever account that you set aside for your luxury, or just to spoil yourself, whatever account you have to spoil yourself, keep it ready and topped up. And when you're ready, just if you see the ads, buy it then. Otherwise it goes back up by a ridiculous amount, and then you have to just keep waiting and add it into your wish list. But if you go to, I think it's called Karma, you can add all the websites or the apps that of the things that you're keeping an eye out on, and it'll always tell you when there's a new price drop, and it'll always tell you as well, I forgot what else it does, tells you how much you can save as well, if there's like coupon codes and all that stuff. And Farfetch, when you sign up, use your 15% off, or if you've got people that you follow on YouTube that have Farfetch codes, use those as well. So get as much as you can off is my advice. That's how I shop. I barely ever buy things full price. I always wait. Always been that way, and I love it that way. Once in a while I will buy something full price, maybe if it's the last thing, but I kid you not, I will wait and wait and wait. It has taken me over 1.5 years to attain this bag. I initially wanted the chalk white, and I also wanted the pillow tabby. I got the pillow tabby, but I wasn't happy with the quality that I got from Farfetch, so I returned that one. That one was initially, I think, 1,300 New Zealand dollars. And then when the ridiculous price drop pop-up happened on Farfetch, I think it was about 600, and that's including the $23 shopping fee, of which I managed to get off because I got the first purchase discount code. So get as much as you can off. If you are happy to do so, do not pay full price for anything. Most things will always drop, okay? Okay, so my final verdict, is Coach a good investment? I would say yes. It is a very, very good investment, especially if you don't want to splurge and spend a ridiculous amount on a good bag. I think one of the good reasons that Coach does really well is because they focus more on the craftsmanship as opposed to trending and like a ridiculous amount on their costing prices as well. You get very, very good wear out of their leather pieces. I've seen other people's bags and they've lasted them quite a long time, if not a lifetime. They do give you the option to shop pre-loved bags as well. I think worldwide you pretty much can shop their pre-loved bags if you'd like to do so. I've seen a few websites on Google. So yes, to close off, lovelies, this is my new honey, the Coach Tabby shoulder bag 26, and I am absolutely in love with her. This is the brass wine. So I just wanted to do a quick reveal and just to touch on some points if you are keen or interested in looking into Coach bags as well. This is a beautiful bag. It's a beautiful investment, and I'm gonna get lots of wear out of it, and I'm gonna love it in my wardrobe for a very, very long time to come. But thank you so much, lovelies, for tuning into this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please do give it a thumbs up even if you didn't, just to help push it up there so other people can get to enjoy it as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.